the very important question and the most frequently asked question is the difference between list and array. Now we are going to study the main difference between array and list in this class. Now, array, original data structure based on index concept. In case of list, array, original data structure is based on index concept. But in case of list, built on the top of array. Array is memory efficient, list occupy more memory than array. The size of the array is fixed. Length vary according to the number of elements added. Frequent element access in array. In list, frequent insertion and deletion takes place. Now, resizing array is expensive. Resizing list is dynamic in nature. Array. Index based with lowest address as a first and highest address at a last. But in case of list is non-index based structure. Accessing element is constant time operation irrespective of element location. Accessing element is time consuming although based on the position of element. Continuous memory location, another is non-continuous memory location. If you want more videos regarding this topic, then please subscribe my channel and share